Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore WhatsApp chats safely. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open the WhatsApp and tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then here, go to the settings and click the chats and click the chat backup. Then, under the Google account, select the account where you want your backup to be saved. Then here, set the backup frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. And this is optional. You can include videos. Just toggle on the include videos where you want videos backup to. And tap backup button. And this will save all your chats and media to Google Drive. And for restoring the WhatsApp chats, just install the WhatsApp for new or reset the phone. Open the app and tap agree and continue and verify your phone number. And the WhatsApp will automatically search for existing backups. Once found, tap restore and wait for the process to complete and your chats and media will be restored. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to ask for more WhatsApp security tips. And please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.